Let's suppose you have multiple input parameter and you want to create name range for each of those parameter. And I don't want to go like create name range for this, create name range for this, create name range for this. And I'm going to show you a single line that will create name range, and that will take the text level from the left or from the top. So let's get started. For that, you need to select this area with the label as well. And then you just need to write this line of code. Selection.createNames left equal to true. So let me show you that I don't have any name range right now. Press Ctrl F3 to open this name manager, and you can see I don't have any name range. Let's run this code. Let's see the name manager. Ctrl F3, and you can see I do have name range for each of those set, and you can see why here as well. So let's delete all of this name range, and let me show you how to do that. If the label is on top row, so again select this range area and then just change this to top, press enter, and let's see the name manager, and you can see we have this. So that's it. If you like the video, consider subscribing. Have a good day.